Hey guys, I wanted to show off this Lanlan Dodecahedron cube. This is some next level stuff right here. If any of you speed cubers or robo cubers are sick and tired of just solving the same old Rubik's Cube and want to try something else for a change, I would heavily recommend getting this baby. The one thing that I do like about this cube is that it's not a cube, it's a dodecahedron, first off. It is a geared cube, so it will only move in certain directions. Yeah. Alright, I did solve it. Unfortunately, I did lose one of the pieces, as you might have seen, but you know, it's pretty solved, and so that's how you solve this Lanlan Dodecahedron cube.